Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, open it. Now from this app you can learn all the information about your TCL's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!